Welcome to this tutorial on the SnapLogic CI/CD process and integrated documentation using IWDG. We'll cover two flows, one for test deployment and one for production deployment. Let's start with the test deployment. We'll use the weather reporting project from our CI/CD demo project space as an example. First, we need to check out the appropriate repository branch, which in this case is the develop branch. Then, we're ready to commit our SnapLogic assets. To trigger the test deployment flow, we create a pull request. Once the merge is done, we can check the status of our test deployment in the Actions tab. The flow consists of two main actions, pushing the code to the test project and running a test pipeline. We can check the deployment result in SnapLogic, where we can see a new project has been created. Now, let's move on to the production deployment flow. Similar to the test flow, the production flow is triggered by merging the code from test into the main branch. This flow is more complex and consists of 4 steps. First, we create a release tag from the current main branch. Once the release is created, we push the code to the SnapLogic production project. We can also run smoke tests for this project, and the final step is triggering the IWDG documentation generator to create or update the project documentation on Confluence. After the flow is completed, we can see the release tag that has been created and the SnapLogic project as well. Just use the execution ID from the IWDG call to check the documentation status. As soon as it says completed, we can review the auto-generated documentation in Confluence. By using IWConnect documentation generator, you can fully automate your documentation process and always keep your documentation up to date. Thank you for watching. Visit us to find out more about IWDG.